We're in the big city of Newmarket, Indiana. Once again, zip code 47965. And in 3 weeks, the Sesquicentennial Festival will be held. July 22nd, 23rd, and 24th. So come on in and take in the festivities. There's going to be a cruise-in car show. There's going to be a lot of bands and a lot of food vendors and all kinds of fun things. It doesn't cost anything to come in and check everything out. We got a stop sign right here, so we best stop. This is January the 3rd. This is July the 3rd, 2022. It wouldn't be this warm if it was January. The sky is blue and pretty. It looks really good. I'm trying to stay out of the rough stuff. They redid the water line, so they got to repave the streets here soon. I'm on Main Street in Newmarket. Take it in, everybody. It's very windy out here. Looks like they're doing a little cleanup work on the church. Spraying for weeds and using the power washer. Oh, this is gonna be rough. Hold on. Oh. That was painful. Let's ride down to the park and see what's going on down there. It looks like someone is playing basketball. I used to do that myself when I was a youngster. I still would play basketball if I had one. I don't think I have one anymore. The town doesn't seem to get any bigger, but it's still here, and it's been here since 1872. So the celebration, July 22nd, 23rd, and 4th, mark 150 years of the town. 150 years that the town has been here. Watch out for the bump. Ow. Gotta wait on the traffic. There's the sign. Can you see it? Well, that marks the end of this video. Hope to see you the 22nd, 23rd, or 24th. Stay safe, keep healthy, and keep breathing. It makes a world of difference, let me tell you. See ya. Wouldn't want to be you, and you wouldn't want to be me. Can't blame you there. What a lovely evening for a ride.